It is time for another Y107 MU Healthcare Ask the Expert podcast. And our expert this time is Dr. Jim Stannard. He is the MOI, Missouri Orthopedic Institute Medical Director. And MU Healthcare works directly with Mizzou Athletics. And so, the Mizzou athletes trust their bodies to these doctors and Dr. Stannard. And I think you and your loved ones should as well as we talk sports injuries in this Ask the Expert podcast. No one, doctor, plans an injury in advance. You don't go out saying, today's the day playing pickleball that I am going to bust my ankle. So how does your team work to ensure fast and convenient appointments and with experts and get people taken care of quickly?
Well, one thing we started about 3 years ago, because nobody does plan for an injury, and emergency rooms can be very time-consuming and expensive, is we have a Monday through Friday, 7 to 8 a.m. walk-in clinic at MOI. And so anybody can come if they've got anything that's sports-related or injury-related. Come, check in. You'll be seen by one of our sports team. And then if it's something that belongs with one of our other specialists, we'll triage it over to that area.
So, Dr. Stannard, how does Missouri Orthopedic Institute ensure high quality and convenient care to the patients?
MOI is a facility that was designed with musculoskeletal problems in mind. So the whole idea was to build this separate building and put everybody that you could need to take care of your injury under one roof. So that's radiologist, anesthesia, physical therapy, orthopedic surgeons, you name it, they're all in one place. And I think that makes it incredibly convenient where you can get all of it done at one time under one roof. And it involves more than 400 people and 30 physicians. But it's really unique and something that is very few places in the nation, much less this region, have that kind of a mix all under one roof.
Obviously, Doctor, when we start talking about sports injuries and orthopedic conditions and needs, there's a wide variety of things that can happen to an athlete or to anyone. You guys have teams to treat anything and everything.
Yeah, treating injuries from sports is a team event itself, and we do have a really broad team. We've got specialists that can treat anything from conventional sports injuries to spine injuries to things that need physical therapy. We have primary care sports medicine people, shoulder, wrist, ankle, foot, you name it. We've got it all under one roof.
And also you can help with children's injuries too, younger athletes as well, right?
Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have left that out since they are definitely injury prone. We have a pediatric orthopedic group that is right there as well and can take care of the unique things there with growing kids.
We've got Missouri Orthopedic Institute Medical Director Jim Stannard, Dr. Jim Stannard, explaining why obviously they trust Mizzou athletes, trust these doctors, and why you and your family and loved ones should trust them as well. Dr. Stannard, we've talked about all the amazing things that you guys have to offer for every level of athlete, from kids all the way up to adults and every sport level in between. But what really sets Missouri Orthopedic Institute apart when it comes to the orthopedic care?
I think what's really unique is that literally we have a multidisciplinary team so that you can have people that are going to handle the acute injury, the rehabilitation afterward, our pharmacy people, radiologists that are really honed in on musculoskeletal injuries, all of these people under one roof. We have psychologists, you name it. The whole 9 yards is there and under one roof, and all of them are focused on the musculoskeletal system. It's like 8 or 9 different departments all coming together to do this, and so it makes it really convenient. You can travel to one place, and we will get all of it done under one roof.
And again, no matter how severe the injury is or how much care the surgery is going to need or aftercare, it sounds cliche, but it is really true. You guys, boom, everything is all right there.
Yeah, really unique. We have even inpatient capability. We have 42 inpatient beds, 2 MRI scanners. They're specially tuned for cartilage injuries and things like that. It's really focused on sports and sports injuries, and makes it really special.
So why is it so important to seek care at an academic health system like MU Healthcare?
I think what you get when you get an academic health system is you get physicians and others who are really focused on what is the next really special thing that we can do to make your surgery, if it's needed, or your rehabilitation happen faster and have better outcomes. And we literally are constantly pushing the envelope. A lot of us write quite a bit, speak all over the country and world, and have developed new techniques and things that are really special and cool, even on the rehab end with things like blood flow restriction therapy that will help you get your muscle strength back, which is often one of the harder things. I learned the hard way myself when I had a big surgery a couple of years ago.
Trust the team at MU Healthcare, the official healthcare partner for Mizzou Athletics.